few minutes ago, there was one dog barking. Now I hear two dogs barking. If I hear closely, listen closely, I hear 3 dogs, 4 dogs. It's distracting, correct? Well, what is the difference between dogs barking and allowing you to distract yourself from your feelings and the sort of distractions of any other thing in the outside world? It can be the sound of people talking. I mean, okay, people speak in a language that we understand more than, say, dogs barking, but it's equally distracting because we stay in the intellectual plane and it keeps us trying to process, emotionally and intellectually process and make meaning rather than sitting back and feeling and sort of understanding our hearts. So in today's heart journal, I'd like you to write down the things that you encounter today that keep you from feeling, the distracting things, the noise, the dogs barking, the people engaged in random aimless chatter around you. Write those down, and if you remember that you were on the verge of feeling something and then the dog started barking and you stopped thinking about your feelings, or you stopped feeling and you started thinking, put that down. They'll be very useful for us as we start to see just exactly how and when we allow the dogs barking in our world to keep us from understanding our heart.